A video is nothing but a sequence of scenes. Each scene is an image or a video clip overlaid with some text captions. You can even add a voiceover to each scene. You can also see a live preview of the scene as you create it. Let's add another scene to this video. You can upload media from your computer or search through our extensive library of over 2 billion stock assets. Awesome, right? Use colored backgrounds to create delightful titles or section breakers. Use as many captions as you want to narrate your story, and highlight or title the important words. Let's see how this plays in the preview. Wow, your first draft is ready. You can export now or take this video to the next level. Change the colors of your captions and highlights to suit your brand language. You can add a shadow or a text background to achieve better contrast. Time to change my caption font. I love League Spartan font for all my videos. Yeah, that looks better. I will just apply this to all my captions across all the scenes. Voila! That saves a lot of time. You can modify the size of your text, change its position on the canvas, and even add some animated effects to jazz up your captions. Similarly, you may set the size and position of your image or video, add frames, and even change the background color for your scene. Rocketium has a huge library of video filters to add a punch to your static images. Rocketium's super smart algorithm automatically sets an apt timing for your video, but you can still fine-tune it to precision. Just choose the desired scene and click the Edit Timing button and change the scene duration or time each caption individually. Time to make this video your own. Add your logo, choose its desired position, and you're done. Wow! Ready to export? Choose the video resolution you need and click on Export Video button. You can also save this video as a theme and use it in the future to achieve a consistent look and feel across all your videos. You can go to the dashboard to see your workspaces that help you better organize your videos. Create new workspaces. Invite your teammates to collaborate seamlessly on your video projects. Check out all the videos in a workspace in a grid or a list view and manage your video creation pipeline better. Here is my latest video. You can download the video file or share it on your social channels directly from Rocketium. You can also send the video link to your teammates for review or modifications. We also have pre-built video templates for different industries and use cases. Just choose a template and modify its content to churn out videos in minutes. Could video making be any easier? So, ready to make your first video with Rocketium?